Welcome to this module on the importance of cultural awareness and the impact of cultural prejudice on the work of skilled listeners.
Differences between men and women can be further dramatized by what each group talks about with their friends. Men generally talk about sports, politics, work, money and cars, etc., while women generally talk about relationships, people, clothing and physical appearance, etc. Culture describes how people in a particular group identify themselves. It is their shared history, language, values, customs, traditions, folklore, dance, food and religion.
Well, that's it for part 1 of this module. You should now have a better understanding of cultural awareness and the impact of cultural prejudice on the work of skilled listeners.